Hey, welcome to lesson 3 of mixing a minute, the red formula. Now I'm finna show you guys how to go straight to the mix bus of the song and use top-down mixing to get this moving faster. Alright, so we at the mix bus. I always like to start with the SSL Comp from Wave. You can use other things as well.
Everybody know that she a Betty Bop. Hey, yeah, she a Betty Bop. Keep your eyes on a nigga for a while. You see her ass buzzing out of Marriott. Damn, everybody know that she a Betty Bop. Yeah, she a Betty Bop. Boy, you better do that. Yeah, she a Betty Bop.
And let's play it back. I always have your songs looping so you can keep the vibe so you don't slow down the vibe. Loop into the mix is like the best way.
Keep your eyes on a nigga faded walk. And I heard you about to cuff, boy, you better not do that. And I seen her last week up in the Marriott. Damn, everybody know that she a Betty Bop. Hey, yeah, she a Betty Bop. Better keep your eyes on a nigga for a while. You see her ass buzzing out of Marriott. Damn, everybody know that she a Betty Bop. Yeah, she a Betty Bop. Boy, you better do that.